How to make original audio on Instagram. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Instagram. Then click on plus button at the bottom. After that, simply select the video you want to add. After you've added your video or clicked the video, click on the music sign at the bottom left corner of your screen. Now, select the audio you want to add. After you have selected the audio you want to add, you will find this kind of screen pop up. In here, simply drag your cursor where you want your audio, then press on Edit Video. After that, in here, click on the audio option and click on volume at the bottom. After you've clicked on volume, simply adjust your volume according to your background music of the video. Then press on Done. After you do that, you can edit other options if you want. Then press on the arrow and post your video. This is how to make original audio on Instagram. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.